Hi guys, so today is my birthday. You guys know that, well, should know by now that every year I do like this little like photo shoot for my birthday for myself, you know, with like a little theme or something. This year's theme, since I started to get into astrology and everything, I wanted it to be like very earthy, like earth baby, because I am a Taurus, which you know is earth. My moon is Pisces and my rising is Capricorn. Like there's just a lot of earth in my chart, okay? And so I really wanted something to be like very like earthy and like, you know, I had a scene set in my head, but you guys, it's been a hot motherfucking mess. Go ahead now and enter the clips. So I made this backdrop I'm about to enter the clips right now so you guys can see, but like I made this backdrop, I have this outfit, so the clips should be entered right now of me making the backdrop. All right y'all, so I got these 3 poster boards. I need to get one more because I had accidentally bought one that's different from these ones, so this one's thinner. So what I'm doing is I hot glued the 3 together. I will get a 4th one to hot glue, and I'm gonna have the other side. And these are my flowers, so I'm going for like a yellow, white, and green theme. So I'm taking all of the leaves. I also bought extra leaves. I'm making a pile with them, making another pile with my sunflowers, and then I got a ton. Almost fell. Okay, then I got a ton of these white flowers. Then I'm also gonna do the same thing. I have more yellow flowers and lots more leaves to go through. And I made sure to get extra hot glue packs, and I also got like these really pretty butterflies that I'm going to add to everything. So yeah, to really go with like the nature theme. All right y'all, I'm sorry for my really ghetto looking setup, but anyway, so this is what I've done so far. So I finally plucked off all the yellow flowers. I plucked off all the leaves that came with the yellow flowers. Then I bought these like longer leaves. So what I think I'm gonna do is like hot glue them along the perimeter of the whole thing. Again, like I'm gonna make sure to save enough for that side when it gets to that. And then I have this bunch of leaves, which kind of looks like these, but they're just shorter, that I think I'm gonna put like in between. And yeah, I think hopefully in the intro I inserted a picture of like sort of my inspo, because I kind of want this to be like primarily greenery and then like the flowers to be the pop. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys probably once I'm like halfway through or done at least doing the perimeter of this. Hey y'all, so I am in my kitchen now. I've decided to move to my kitchen. To do this just gets easier to do it on top of a table, and I've completely underestimated how long this would freaking take. Like, this is only how far I've gotten. I've been trying to like fill up the whole back with the green leaves. I made these out of the oh yeah, I forgot to say that I had got the other poster board and all that, but yeah, I made these, excuse the different colors of green, my marker ran out. But yeah, so I made these number 26s that I'm gonna cover in the smaller flowers that I had in leaves and probably put like somewhere in the top. And I've kind of like decided to change my direction with this. So instead of it being like completely like a complete flower wall, I think I'm just gonna cover as much as I can like with the leaves, and then sort of have the flowers like cascading around. I don't know, I think this is gonna be my last update of how this is going until I'm actually done. So yeah, just bear with me. All right y'all, so here is the finished product. So I decided to just leave like the middle empty just because that's where I'm gonna be standing anyway, so there was no point in trying to like fill it up with flowers. But yeah, this is how it came out. I feel like on camera it does not look as good as it does in real life. I don't know, but my only regrets is using the white flowers. I feel like I should have just done all sunflowers, but I wanted to kind of like break it up and give it dimension. But hey, I still think it looks cute. I still love it. So yeah, so hopefully if I edit this right, you guys just saw the backdrop completed. Let me show you my look, well, as appropriately as I can. All right, I've even had like wardrobe issues. So I got this bodysuit from oh, excuse the mess, hopefully there's nothing like weird around. Anyway, I got this bodysuit from Fashion Nova, and like the long sleeve bodysuit, and I loved it. I bought like the brassy bra because my original plan had been to just like stick my titties up and like close it, whatever, but it's too big on me, so even after I tape my tits up, it doesn't stay. So I had also bought this set from La Vie en Rose, which is like a bra and high waist panty. So I'm just wearing like the bra out of the set, and I just threw on another green pair of panties, and like I have all these necklaces on. This one I think I got years ago from Forever 21. This one is Boohoo. This one I think is either H&M or Forever 21, and this one's also Boohoo. And then my hair, which we do have a tutorial coming on very soon. I gave myself goddess braids. So yeah, they're like, oh, I thought I dropped the thing. Yeah, I did goddess braids. My makeup, I used the Jackie Aina palette to give me like a very like earthy, you know, goddess toned makeup. And let me go ahead now and show you guys my set. So here's the set that I made for myself. Excuse my stuff over there. That's just clean laundry that I did. I haven't put away yet. But anyway, yeah. So here's the backdrop. I originally had it hanging on the wall and I was going to stand in front of it, but I didn't end up liking how that looked. So I just have it down on the floor here. This is my exercise mat so that I could sit on it. But also I was like sitting on the stool. I didn't put anything in the middle just so that, because I was going to be there anyway. So I figured like, why glue all those flowers? So yeah, I sat in the middle and this is it. I did like all these sunflowers. Look at these beautiful like butterflies. I'll like go up close. I made this 26. I took a poster board. I cut out the number 26 and then glued all the flowers on. And yeah, and guys, can you believe I got everything from the dollar store? Like all of the flowers are from the dollar store. The butterflies, like everything. I used hot glue to glue it onto like those white foam poster boards. But yeah, then this way, so I have my computer here to use. Hold on, actually I'm not gonna do that because you guys will see my vagina. But yeah, I have my computer here to be my monitor. You guys know I always take my pictures with my phone. I just love how iPhone photos look on a tripod. I have a light down here to illuminate the background. I have this ring light here. Then I have my big ring light up here. Then I just have like my two lamps there, like the house lamps. So like the lighting is great. Everything looks so good. I don't know if I can like show myself so you guys can kind of see. This is me. Am I covering the mic? Hopefully I'm not covering the mic. This is me against the backdrop. I even like did my nails. I have press-ons. Like I look really good, but it's just really hard to get a photo right now. So I'm working on it. So yeah, it's been really hard trying to get a good photo, but fingers crossed I get one. If I do, I'll probably enter it here and you guys can go look at it on my Instagram. But yeah. Alright guys, so for my birthday dinner I am making myself seafood boil. Excuse like any stains that you see on the walls around my stove. Okay, I've tried to scrub them, they just don't come out. So but yeah, it's all clean, don't worry. Anyway, yeah, so I'm making myself a seafood boil. Excuse my ugly ass hands, I ripped my press-ons off, so I kind of need to buff the glue off. But anyway, yeah, so I got crab legs. I have shrimp. The really big shrimp with the legs creep me out, so I just got like these regular type of shrimp. I have potatoes, I have sausages, I have lobster tails, and I have corn. And then to make my sauce, of course, I have unsalted butter. This is my seasonings are garlic powder. This is like the chicken soup bouillon stuff. I have some adobo, of course, some lemon pepper seasoning, some of that Old Bay. You can't be making no seafood without no Old Bay, okay? And then I have bay leaves, some paprika, some, like, it's a mix of herbs, so it's like basil, parsley, and oregano. Yeah, oregano. And then yeah, I have like extra parsley flakes to put on the top after. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, and then I have lemons, onion, and garlic. So I think what I'm about to do right now is just boil my potatoes and my corn. So I'm about to wash them and put them to boil, and then I'm gonna go shower and get ready to cook. Yeah. Alright guys, so I didn't show you the whole process just because like it was a lot, but this is my seafood boil. I have a side of rice here. It's a sauce for the rice. But yeah, I'm about to chow down.
I was eating the food.
Body.